chain. I even gave her my last name. She's my anchor, she takes the wind out of my sails. Can't move our trailer cause she sold the wheel. She's my plus one, you can do the math. Top to bottom, there's no better half. And I love that pretty little country girl. She's rocking this redneck's world. She's the welcome mat to my home, sweet home. She takes me as I am and loves me like she wants to. Twists my heart up just like a corkscrew. It makes me smile as I make her scream. Just a couple of kids living the double wide dream. She likes to cuss and fight, and she can drink all night, and she can roll one up till I'm feeling right. She drives a truck with swampers and rims and an Alpine pumping through kicker tins. She dips snuff and she don't spit, never owned a bra and her shirts don't fit. And I love that pretty little country girl. She's rocking this redneck's world. She's the welcome mat to my home, sweet home. She takes me as I am and loves me like she wants to. Twists my heart up just like a corkscrew. It makes me smile as I make her scream. Just a couple of kids living the double wide dream. Guns and dirt roads, cowboy boots and no blue jeans. And she ain't no uptown hussy, she's my down-home trailer queen. Well, I love that pretty little country girl. She's what's rocking this redneck's world. She's the welcome mat to my home, sweet home. And I love that pretty little country girl. She's rocking this redneck's world. She's the welcome mat to my home, sweet home. She takes me as I am and loves me like she wants to. Twists my heart up just like a corkscrew. It makes me smile as I make her scream. Just a couple of kids living the double wide dream. Well, the double wide dream. We got double wide dreams.
It's just over when it's over, ain't it, baby, ain't it? Ripped you like a dagger, can't it, baby, can't it? Wish we could do it over, damn it, baby, damn it. We had it in the air, you just couldn't land. Miss Joanna Cotton, everybody.
There's a plane flying out here tonight, destination New Orleans. Boss man says my big promotion's on the line. He says that's right where I need to be. Lately I've been on the road more than I've been home. All this leaving her alone is killing me, and holding her right now has got me thinking more and more. This is right where I need to be. Where when I hear her, I can see her, I can smell her sweet perfume, I can feel her skin against me when I sleep. Where I won't miss her, I can kiss her anytime that I want to. Yeah, that's right where I need to be. Yeah, that's right where I need to be. Wow. There's a plane flying out here tonight with an empty first class seat, 'cause I finally got all my priorities in line. I'm right where I need to be. Where when I hear her, I can see her, I can smell her sweet perfume, I can feel her skin against me when I sleep. Where I won't miss her, I can kiss her anytime that I want to. Yeah, that's right where I need to be. Yeah, I'm right where I need to be.
The sands of time, they flow so slow, and I catch hell from everyone I know. And I'm so tired of being alone, so I get drunk and I just stay home. Looking in the mirror, I get lost. I think about life's choices and the cost. I wish I could stop and catch my air. And whoever said that life was fair. Now it's been a long 25 years, living life with all these fears. I'm holding on for a better day. Pray the sun will come and stay and shine on me, shine on me. hard, I'm so confused. And broken down, my soul's been used. And I know there won't be an excuse, but sometimes you gotta cut the pain loose. Now it's been a long 25 years, living life with all these fears. I'm holding on for a better day. Pray the sun will come and stay and shine on me, shine on me. And I know you won't understand. All I can do is all I can. And I'm so weak when I need to be strong. And it won't be long before you find me gone. Now it's been a long 25 years, living life with all these fears, holding on for a better day. Pray the sun will come and stay and shine on me, shine on me, and just shine on me, shine on me.